Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to Melda 242. I am Melda, and today I'm preparing for my family steamed ribs with okra, white rice, and mixed veggies. If you want to see how I achieve this, then I suggest you continue watching. Okay, let's do it. In this pot, I have oil, onions, green bell peppers, celery, and of course the okras, all cut up. I'm just allowing them to get soft and translucent. Alright. To that, I'm just adding some thyme. This thyme now, I normally keep my thyme in the freezer. That's why it is not so green, but it is loaded with flavor. Getting this all mixed up. Tomato paste. I only need 2 tablespoons of this. I just filled up my container. Now this is what is left in this tin. Hunt's tomato paste, my favorite. Okay, get that all coated and mixed up. Maggi vegetable cubes. Now if you have the big ones, just use one of them. One should be sufficient. These are the little baby ones, so gotta use 2. Now these have a lot of sodium, so don't go crazy with the salt when you're adding the salt. Just add it to taste. So make sure you're testing before you continue adding. God's sake, less is always best. Now whatever I'm adding into this recipe and you don't want in yours, just leave it out. My recipes are just a guide. They're not gospel. Mrs. Dash is in the building. She's coming to help jazz up this pot, and of course she's also salt free. Garlic powder. You can always substitute this with the fresh garlic. Alright. Total seasoning. Jazzing it up right now with some red pepper flakes. Remember, you can always substitute this with the black pepper or your favorite spice. Parsley flakes is next. Get all of that goodness mixed up together. You don't see a lot of oil in this. Oh no. Don't like to cook with a lot of oil. Now the water, right from the tin, just to get all of that goodness out of that can. So I'll just be adding another cupful, and that should be enough for this. Browning. Now if you don't have the browning, or you can't find the browning, kitchen bouquet will do. Or you can just cook it without. I just love to have it a little darker. Now I'm adding the second cup of water. So that's 2 cups of water in total. Now I'm just gonna allow it to boil down before adding the ribs. The ribs are cut up into small pieces. There you have it. These were originally from what was purchased for the soup, but it was too much. So I decided to leave these for a day like this. Hubby wanted some ribs, steamed ribs. So, wow, when I remember I had these, now I'm giving him his request, filling it. Now the ribs are ready to go in. Just like that. Oh yes, they're nice and small. Look at that. And this is going to be served over white rice. Just think about it. So I'm just going to allow this to finish up on medium. Now that's after 15 minutes. Look at it. It's coming together. It's almost finished. Oh yes, look at that. Nice and rich. It's going over white rice. Now remember, my recipes are not gospel. Whatever you don't want that I'm adding to my own, leave it out. Because whatever my stomach can't take, I'm not going to add it in. Oh no. So right now I'm just fluffing up my white rice. I only have rice and just water. That's all this was cooked with. Now I'm just going to add a tablespoon of, I can't believe it's not butter, to this. Now if you want to use the regular, or you have the regular butter, feel free, or margarine, or even oil. It's up to you. It's your pot. Whatever your stomach can take, you work it. You work it. My recipes are not gospel. Please just use them as a guide. Just getting that butter all mixed up. Oh yes, just like that. Now I reduce the heat, and I'm going to allow it to finish up. It's on low, warm. Now I'm just going to work with the mixed veg. So while they are working out, the rice is going to finish up, as well as the ribs. That's some total seasoning. Now if you want to cook them without adding anything to them, feel free. These are just frozen veggies. Look at that. That's rolling. My, and it smells right. Oh yes, look at it. All over white rice. It's going down. It's going down in here. That's it. It's ready. Yes. Oh yeah, that's it. That's it. Look at that. It's not slimy. It's just right. Look at that. Hubby's gonna enjoy this. That's the veggies. And of course, white rice. Tell me about that. Dinner is served. Yes. Woohoo! Thank you very much for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. Share it out. Leave a comment. God bless you. God bless you. And I will see you in the next one.